Hello, my name is Bob Romarino. I want to introduce our SLX400. It's a gravity-fed twist machine, 2 flavors with a twist from the center. It's touchpad operation. We have 2 12-quart hoppers to put your mix in, refrigerated hoppers. The hoppers have a separate compressor to keep the product cold. The capacity of this unit is anywhere from 12 to 14 ounces a minute from each barrel. We have 2 2.7 quart freezing cylinders and self-closing handles. The touchpad operation is a snowflake for a freeze operation, and when the screen lights up, it shows you everything you need to know so you know which button to push for night operation. It's a little half moon comes up, you push that. It also can give you the information of what your temperature is in your hoppers, your temperature of your cylinder. You can go into the program and adjust your temperature to warmer or colder if you need be. It can also tell you how many times you draw from each barrel to give you an idea of what kind of volume you're doing. We also have a removable drip tray which you can take to the sink and wash and clean whenever you need to. The machine should be cleaned at least twice a week, and when you clean it you need to disassemble it completely. The product is substantial. You're going to get anywhere from about 30 to 35% overrun with this type of a machine. It's gravity fed, so the product flows from the hopper into the freezing chamber by gravity. Okay, we use mixed feed tubes to control the flow of our product into the cylinder, and we have different settings on our mix tube, so you can adjust the flow going into the hopper, which controls the amount of air that gets into the product. And we make different types of machines. We make gravity-fed and pressurized machines. This is our smallest gravity-fed twist head machine. The next model up from this would be our SLX500, which is also a gravity unit. Same type of operation, touchpad operation. The difference is the capacity of the machine. The SLX500 will be able to give you probably about 24 ounces a minute of finished product from each cylinder. So it's a higher capacity unit, gravity fed, works very similar to the SLX400, but it's a higher capacity unit.